Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the difference between DNA and RNA, and now in this topic I'm going to talk about the different types of RNA. So now let me discuss about those. So friends, in this topic I'm going to talk about the different types of RNA, and majorly RNA are of three types. That is, it is mRNA, that is messenger RNA, it is tRNA, that is transport RNA, and it is rRNA, that means ribosomal RNA. So talking about the first one, that is mRNA, that is nothing but the messenger RNA. So in that case, the name itself, it gives an idea that is, in this case, the RNA plays a messenger. So in that case, basically, let us understand that is, it carries the information transmitted from the DNA to the ribosomal RNA, which is nothing but it is the third type of, that is RNA, and the transport RNA also. So in that case, it carries the information from the DNA to the RNA as well as tRNA. So this is the first type of RNA, that is what we have discussed about, and now let me talk about the next one. So the next is tRNA, which is also known as transport RNA. So in that case, it carries the amino acid to the mRNA templates and also helps the mRNA to recognize the amino acids. So in that case, it behaves like not only a messenger, but it also, or not only a carrier, you could say, but it also behaves like interpreter over here. So that's the reason that tRNA molecules serve both as carrier of the amino acids as well as interpreters of the genetic code. So therefore this plays a very vital role. And now let me discuss about the last one. So the next type is rRNA, which is known as ribosomal RNA. So it is an integrated part of the ribosomes that also take part in the protein synthesis, and we have discussed in our previous topics also that is RNA plays a very vital role in protein synthesis. So therefore these are nothing but the types of RNA, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.